there guys, so excuse the light in my bathroom, it's not the best, but I'm going to make a little video on how I do my skincare. So I just got done washing my face, and I'm going to go in with this first serum, which I am loving this skincare. It is amazing. It's Jen Skincare, and I go in with this first serum. I just put a little on my hands, go over my face, because I used to put it on my face and I found that I was using entirely too much. So I just do a little bit there on my fingertips and get it all over the face. Then you're going to let that one dry. At first I was having trouble with it peeling because I guess it wasn't dry enough. So now I always let it dry fully before I do the next step, which is this serum. And it is amazing. I mean, I can feel it tightening when I use this one. It is wonderful. So, and I do the same. I just do a little bit on my fingertips, get it in. And like I said, I try not to use a lot because I found that I was using too much before. So, you get that in there. A little bit more for the chin and the stash. And always underneath the chin as well, and you bring it down. But with this one, I do bring it down, but I have an extra neck that I use, so I don't bring it down as much, but I at least go there. So, and then let this set in for a minute before I put my moisturizer as well. So hold on just a second. And we're feeling pretty dry, so we're going to go in with our moisturizer, our Jen Skin moisturizer once again. All the products are Jen Skins, and they are amazing, guys. I can tell a difference. I've been using them for a little over 2 weeks now, and it makes my skin feel tighter, look tighter, and I am loving it already. I can't wait to see with further use how good my skin looks and feels. And granted, I'm not putting a lot each time. It might look like I'm doing a whole lot, but I'm just putting a little bit on the tip of my finger, and then rubbing it down. And that's it, y'all. I do sometimes put a little extra cream on my eyes just to get them looking good, but that's about it. Y'all have a great day. Thanks.